Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I'm pulling the motor off the back of my thing now. Was to scrawl some funny little.
I'll go to that place.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the shower curtain's done. Time.
All I have.
German ones, I think.
Yeah. This is because it's with cost and economy. It's on top. The little donut heads.
Had a few problems with this lately.
This machine?
How long?
Oh, it sounds good. Racing, mate. Yeah, I like it. Anyone who uses a roller, I'm impressed with.
Should have done my hair today.
Oh, yeah, he has. Told you how to find. Oh yeah. Jump there, yeah. You know, you're bloody lucky that you've done the black domes on this side, because the other side it won't be done.
Big roof. Just a big roof.
Yeah, a while ago, he rang up and
Oh, yeah?